Hello again, Tom from Every Step Calculus, everystepphysics.com. This problem here is U-substitution, and you can see it involves the square root underneath the radical sign and a minus sign in the square root. I couldn't find anything like that on YouTube, so I decided to do it so maybe mine would be at the top of the list if somebody searched this, you know. So I programmed it, so let's go through it. Index 8, to get to my menu, you're going to scroll to U-substitution, which is at the bottom of the menu. You're going to use these cloverleaf here to scroll to things that you need on my menu, you know, and then what's on the test problem or homework problem. I'm not sure how you know that this is U-substitution. Generally in a test they tell you to use U-substitution for this or that, you know. But generally everything is U-substitution, integration by parts, or just regular integrals. So let's do this one, U-substitution. Some problems have secant or secant in there, so I have this as an option, and then if you get that, you can say that it's yes or no. It takes you to a different section of the program. We're going to evaluate. I already got this entered into the variables, but when it asks you for what variables you need, you're going to press alpha first and then put in you know, the x divided by second x, the square root of parentheses 5 minus x, and then close off the parentheses. I always show you if it's okay, and you can change it if it wasn't. Let's press change here, enter the function. You can enter it again. We're going to say it's okay. And I for integral, you're going to integrate this function here, the integral of x divided by square root of 5 minus x dx. U-substitution, we have u for 5 minus x under the parentheses. Always that's the case in U-substitution. You have to differentiate what's inside the parentheses in every case and then match that to the outside. And we're going to take the derivative of this, which is minus x, right, dx, and then we switch it to the du side. Turns out that dx is minus du, and then we solve for x in this here, and x equals 5 minus u. Now we substitute in the problem here. Here's the x part, and here's the square root of 5 minus x, and then minus du. Okay. Common denominator, that might be your worst, hardest thing to do here. And we're going to bring the negative out too, you know, so we have minus 5 times the integral of 1 over square root of u minus u divided by the square root of u du. We simplify it, write all this on your paper. I don't even bother looking at it really, just write it on your paper. You don't need to understand this crap. Two integrals, make two integrals minus 5, the integral times 1 minus 1 divided by the square root of u du. Check the minus signs, they're always in trouble if you don't do them right. Try to show exactly what's happening. And then we switch the denominators to the numerators, and so we got u to the minus 1/2 exponent, you know, same thing in here. And we integrate Turns out to be here. We simplify minus 10 plus u to the 1/2, etc., just like it is here. Factor out u to the 1/2. Back substitute 5 minus x for u. We multiply this out. Turns out to be this plus c. Common denominator. Again. And the answer is square root of 5 minus x plus, no, times the quantity minus 20 over 3 minus 2/3 x plus c. Pretty neat, huh? Everystepcalculus.com. Go to my site. Think about buying my programs. Tests are very, very hard. They were for me. That's the reason I programmed the calculator to do this stuff. And I can do it forever now, as long as you have the calculator in your hand and your purse or whatever it is, with my programs in it. And of course, this is the, you know, I've been to Mexico, and this is the Google Translate of calculus, really, here with my calculator. So anyways, good luck in your tests, and of course when you buy my program you get my help. You can call me on the phone, I'll help you load the program. You don't need it, you've got great instructions to do this. And you're going to load 800 programs in here, this calculator, for your calculus, and don't forget my physics programs either, which are unbelievably great. So have a good one, okay? See you next time.